Good morning and welcome back to the channel. So we've just left Hereford.
Yep.
And we are back in the peaks.
Yeah, so the reason for that is we've got a little bit of camera work to be getting on with over the next couple of days. So we figured that we would come back up here because, as you all know, we've done some wild camping recently and we're going to refresh and do all the things that we need to be getting on with. And then I think this weekend we've got some friends coming up, haven't we?
Yes.
To the area. So we're going to stick around for that. Yeah, and basically just take you along with us throughout the week.
And that's it. The peaks is quite big, so there's plenty more for us to explore up here. So we're going to have a good nosy around. But we have a little teaser for you. This is something that will be coming up around summertime, and there's our camera crew.
I was just going to say, does any of them want to wave? They look a little bit embarrassed, a little bit shy. Now they know how I feel.
We thought we'd turn the tables back round.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. We've got the Queen going to lose her first tooth today. How much does the tooth fairy bring?
£5.
£5 on the first one?
Yeah.
That's extortion.
Amelia, if you get to the bottom of it.
Yeah, give it a little twist, it'll pop out.
Pull it.
Ooh.
Oh god, I can't. I told you to.
Oh, look. She's savage, she will, won't she?
Yeah, she's got dollar signs in her eyes.
Ooh, has it come out?
She got it. She got it.
Good girl!
She's a Ducklings, Susan.
Is it first time?
Wow, well done. This morning's lesson, how to pull out a tooth. Well done, babe. Enjoy your refresher bar. So the man boats just cooked a load of food for everyone. Crew stuffing their faces. Man but stuffing his face.
Stuffed his face, mine's gone.
Yeah. So we've got a new induction hob, love. Why didn't you use that?
Because I forgot we had it.
So now me and all the kids have gone without egg because look at the state on that. Disgusting.
This is Ben. He's the main cameraman. Producer.
Yeah, producer director. Yeah.
Producer director.
Producer director, people. This is someone who's really, really intelligent in the camera world.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
So the washing's just finished, so we're gonna go up, get that into the dryer.
Yeah.
And then I think we'll start
We've just
packing away
measured it
ready.
out.
Yeah. And then we're gonna start.
Anyway, what did you say about
Packing away.
angles? We need better angles, yeah?
Yeah, just don't go down looking up. Shows my double chin.
So I'm letting the kids have half an hour's worth of gaming. They've been working their butts off this morning. They've done loads of homeschooling. They've been filmed and interviewed by the camera crew. And yeah, they clearly just need a bit of chilling out time a minute. The weather hasn't helped. The weather is literally sunny one minute, then cloudy, then it's chucking it down with rain. So yeah, a real mix. They've had a little go on their scooters around the site that we're on, but not really a great deal they can be getting on with. So I think they've managed themselves really, really well. I'm super, super proud of them. On a positive though, look at this van. Look how clean it is. I was like, this place has got to be immaculate. So that's exactly what I've done. I've woken up this morning, put the beds away, made sure everything is literally sparkling. Look at all that. Lovely. I was like, oh, they won't open the cupboards, and yeah, they did. So I've made sure I've got everything neat and tidy everywhere. The place has had a really good sort out. Even that area's looking smart. Oh, and our bin broke. So if you're wondering what these pegs are on the door, we put a bag in the bin the other day and then one of the clips just clear and snapped off. So it's just another thing to add to our list of things to get sorted on the van. So we're just about to be interviewed, right? And I'm a bit camera shy, as you all know. Look at this.
Hi Ben, hi Lucille.
Yeah. Luckily we've got lovely camera people. They're really nice. But that is intrusive, isn't it? That is
To
like...
put it into perspective, let me just put my head by the side of it. It's huge.
Yeah.
They are massive.
And you're not allowed to look in the lens either.
Oh no, don't look at the lens. You get into trouble if you look in the lens.
And obviously typical YouTubers, what do we do?
We look at the lens.
Yeah. Hi guys. But this is fine. This is okay.
Because it's our lens.
And it's only teeny tiny. And there's... You could fit the whole world.
And because they've set them up side by side, it looks like eyes. So it looks like, honestly, it looks like C3PO is looking at me over there. Or
oh,
Wally.
look, and there's more. So if I come across like an idiot, I think you can all appreciate why. So after a busy day of filming, which was actually harder than any vlog that we've ever done, that will be out in a couple of months' time. Can't say any more than that at the moment, but we will obviously release a video ourselves probably around that time. But yeah, it's been a real eye-opener. So we've been on site today, we've done our laundry, we've been ready to go for a little bit of wild camping. We're going to go wild camp tonight with some friends, and then in the morning we're going to have a plan to go off and do something a little bit more fun. We've been in the van all day, so we're absolutely exhausted, but an early night is needed, so that's what we're going to grab. So we're now just literally stopped off at the local spa to get ourselves some essentials. We're heading off to our little spot that we like up here, where we can go and bump into some butties. They're all there waiting for us. So would you believe I've given up a night on a site to go wild? You heard it here first.
I gotta go back in.
Why?
So I've run out of arms. On my one arm there, right, I've got 3 bottles of wine, 2 things of juice, all the food, and this arm carries 2 light loaves of bread.
What?
So where's the logic, innit?
I was saying, he's taking ages.
I
Don't know what he's doing.
But I got stuff for meat, lots of meat. There was a deal on 5 things of meat, like burgers, minced beef, sausages, bacon, 5 for a tenner.
Oh, tidy. So that must be barbecue then.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, there's some rolls there. I gotta go back in. So if you want to sort that out, I'll be back.
Fair play, you didn't do bad. That's some barbecue bits going to be happening over the next day or 2. Lovely. We've just pulled up and it's nice to see our friend Sharon's here. So I'm going to go and annoy her for a bit.
So this is the Wolfwise pop-up tent. Right, so there is some instructions there, there's some bits there, and some pegs. We'll chuck that over there. You ready? Here's one we made earlier.
Whoa!
That was quite straightforward.
That's big.
There you go, so I've literally just unwound it, it's popped out. That's one. Pop-up tent.
Cool, so you got a zip fastening on the front.
Zip fastening. So I can see,
Oh yeah.
there's a window up here, there's a window down there, and then there is a little pocket thing here.
Shower gel.
For your shower gel. You can use this for a variety of things, so obviously we can use it as a shower tent. This ain't bad, that love. It's alright. Plenty of space in here for a shower, girl. You can use it as a toilet.
Can I have some privacy?
Or you could use it if you're out and about and you want to get changed.
This is good, so you can shower, poo, or change,
In the Wolfwise.
regardless what the weather is. Get it in the bag.
And that is, you pop in a bag, Wolfwise, pop-up tent. So we hope you enjoyed our first product review. We had some fun doing it and made absolute fools of ourselves at the same time.
Yeah, so if you're interested in something like that for yourselves, the link is in the description.
We thought it was alright, to be fair. So they're retailing at $46.99.
I think you can agree they're pretty versatile. They
Yeah,
can be
they
used
were.
in all weathers for many uses.
You take this leg out of here and put it in that leg.
What, while I'm
Trying
dressed?
to stood up. Yep. So you just like pull the leg out and then
imagine there's
put
a
it in the
toilet
other one.
behind
Right, hang on now. I can't even
Imagine
put my
there's a
knickers on
toilet.
like that.
So I'm going to stand here just in case you need to grab hold.
Can I do that?
Yes.
Right. So I put...
That's it.
Out of there. See, it's easy. It's easy. It's just like on the advert. You're not selling it, Charles.
No,
Come on.
I can't. That's
Come on, Jasmine, get your leg up.
That's
There we
hard,
go.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
And
So then
when you go for a wee, you just
And then lift it
pull it
up.
up.
Like a skirt.
She's got shorts on, so that's okay.
Yeah.
So there you go.
See,
And
it's
then
on
you
the
can go for a
toilet.
wee. So then if you're in some
Hey,
But say you're in a public toilet and you don't want to drape your.
I'm just
your
waiting for it to
all
go
over
back
the
now.
So this has just been delivered this morning as a little payback to my bacon bat last week.
morning ablutions.
Look at the state on this. I've been challenged to eat a whole loaf of bacon and I've just made a start of the cut of it.
And also I want some.
I'm gonna have to share this out for the whole family. It's
I think you could
ridiculous.
share it out for the whole road, love.
It's disgusting how big it is, isn't it?
It is.
This is what I've got left. And I think I can cope with that.
Yo, you've got one, sweet.
Yeah.
You're good.
Oh, I can't have one.
It's come and bollock you now.
Is he coming to tell me off? Hey, you want to see how much I've managed to eat already?
You're having a rocking joke here, what? Hey. No, I'm alright, mate. You haven't, yeah, you haven't.
Look how much I've eaten already.
Yeah, sharing around. You know what I mean? It was a yard.
Waste not, want not. That's all right. We'll share it. There's plenty of hands, yeah. Let's go knocking.
Rick will probably have half.
Oops, I'm gonna have to pick that up now.
It's the way to go to waste.
What are you shouting about?
Bacon butty going.
No, yeah, no.
Do you want one? It's just been freshly cooked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Good morning.
He's like, I'm gonna stick my head out this window more.
Oh, that's class. Fair play. That's going to take some beating, that is, Phil. Nice one.
Well, you can't get bigger than love, can you?
Well, never say never.
Oh, how many she got, Amelia? Count them.
So one is Oliver, one is Dexter, and one is me.
Oh, cool. So you've named them after yourself. That's literally awesome. Oh, and they're so pretty. They're so teeny tiny. They've not even got their colours. So Mandy's come to the rescue with some duck food because Man Butt was tight and wouldn't pay 50p for the food.
Yeah, tight man, but that's a whole different thing.
Tight.
Grab a handful.
What'd you say, guys? No, give me some duck food quick. I'll go give it to the babies. Right, that looks quite deep. Oh, they can't get up the waterfall. Mummy Duck has got up there and the little ones can't. I mean, I could just walk in there.
So my mum's trying to go up there and help the little baby ducklings get up the waterfall. They're so tiny and cute.
That's freezing.
Come on, Mum, save to the baby ducklings.
So Charles really nervous about riding this
It's so
bicycle, yet this lady holds a full motorbike license.
You've ridden bigger.
I've ridden bigger. Oh, no.
Right, so
Come
as
on.
you're pedaling, press that,
Right.
and that'll get you
And then
going.
I'm going to go over there
Yeah.
into the bush.
No,
Let go of it, obviously. Give it
as soon as you get going, press that, because that'll give you the momentum, the boost. Go on.
Go on. Go on.
I can't find the thing. I'm wearing. Ah! Ah! Whoa! That's way faster than I was expecting.
Some of you may not know, in the van life community, there's someone who's had his van stolen, and that's Trevor and Luz. We haven't met them personally, but we've heard the story and we're really feeling for them at the moment. For those of you that don't know, they've sold up everything. He spent 6 months building this van that was perfect for them. They're an older couple, and one evening a week and a half ago, it was taken from them.
Everything's gone. Everything they own is gone.
It's
so
sad.
what we've said, we've been approached and been asked to share their GoFundMe page. So we've put a link in the description. And obviously,
100%.
if any of you want to donate anything at all to help their cause, then that would be great.
And the link will be in the description below. So, to give you a little bit of an update on the motorhome, we've read every single comment and we have literally taken it all in, haven't we? So,
Oh yeah, over 700 comments. Thank you so much. The knowledge and experiences you've all shared has been absolutely fantastic and really helpful.
So, just to give you a bit more information, we do have some finance on the van, which was our first port of call, so we have gone to Black Horse. Basically, they're going to do an independent inspection on the van, and as long as that inspection comes back that obviously it's manufacturer error, then they're going to come back to us with a few options.
And once we know those options in more detail and we know what we're going to do, then we'll update you all further.
Yeah, so all is not lost, and obviously even if that did fail, we have legal side ready to go, so
Yeah.
we'll keep you updated on that one, guys. We haven't recorded that much this week because we've had a busy week, haven't we?
It's been really busy, yeah. So we've had to come back up to the Peak District. The next day we didn't then do any recording for you, sorry, because we were just so exhausted that I don't think we even could look at a camera.
No.
And then we've managed to visit the Peak Cavern, so the Devil's Arse.
Yes.
And we've looked at the Speedwell Cavern. But if I'm really honest, we haven't gone in because for a family of 5, it would cost us nigh on £70 or £80 to go and do a half an hour
tour of the caves. Yeah, which is a shame because I'd have liked to have gone in and seen them.
Yeah, they do have some cracking reviews, and they've also got a cinema evening that they do outside as well. So
no, that's inside. So on the Devil's Arse they do a cinema evening where they'll play a movie a night, and because you can imagine the acoustics within inside a cave is phenomenal.
It's Britain's largest cave, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah. So, but yeah, we couldn't justify the expense. But if you're just going to go in, you know, as a couple or on your own, then yeah, you'd have a brilliant time. But if you want a family as large as ours, then it can get quite pricey to do all of these things. But we've also not got the money to visit these things because the Tooth Fairy this week has been absolutely the most expensive week, isn't it, for Tooth Fairy?
We've had literally in the last 10 days we've lost three teeth. So Dexter lost 1. Then Amelia lost her very first tooth. So
that's a bit more expensive, as you can imagine.
And she was very excited that she's lost her first tooth. And then last night, we thought they were all sleeping and we just hear, I've lost a tooth. Yeah. It was another tooth.
To be honest with you, I blame the Tooth Fairy there. I think the Tooth Fairy's a little bit generous, and I wouldn't be surprised if our lot are just pulling them out because they want some pocket money.
They probably are. They're banking it all up, aren't they?
They're doing something. I tell you what, they've got it sorted, haven't they?
Yeah, they have.
Oh, did we mention that I rode a sheep this week?
You tried to ride a sheep. So Charlotte drank more than a bottle of wine. I thought it'd be a good idea to try and ride a sheep.
It was more, I wanted to stroke it.
You wasn't stroking it, you was trying to gauge how thick the wool was so she knew where the body was so she could jump on it.
Yeah.
But thankfully it didn't happen. She was worried she would hurt the sheep, so we didn't do it.
And it was giving me a fair bit of side eye, and I was a bit worried that the farmer might get upset with me, so I took the responsible decision not to jump on the sheep.
After she got in the field and approached said sheep.
Yeah. We walked up to Mantor, to the sign, and all the kids literally protested and said they didn't want to walk anymore. So here's the picture of them looking absolutely wrecked, and that was before we'd even gone up there. We went into Castleton. We've had a couple of meals out this week and a couple of drinks.
Yeah, so
we've been spoiled, haven't we?
We have, yes.
And we've been really, really lazy. So we apologise for that. But I think if you saw our last vlog, you saw how much we did last weekend and the problems we had with the van and how upset we were over it. I think we just needed a week where we were a little bit more relaxed. We could enjoy van life for what it is. And we really have embraced it this week, haven't we?
Yeah, do you know what? It's actually been a really nice, chilling week, and we were just knackered, weren't we? We needed it, to be honest with you. It's been lovely.
Next week, we will bring you our usual
adventurous self.
Yeah. We're going to spend the weekend sleeping, and then we're going to come back with a vengeance next week. So keep an eye out for that. If you've enjoyed the vlog, as usual, please like, please comment, and obviously if you haven't already subscribed, or you know your brother, sister, auntie, uncle aren't subscribed, please ask them. It's absolutely free, and we're very, very grateful. It helps our channel grow. And thank you so much to everybody who supported us with our van troubles, and just been following us on our journey this far. So we really appreciate you all.
We do.
Thank you.
But until next time, guys,
we'll see you in a bit.
Ta-ra, guys.